There's a game that doesn't want to be played. It has no goals, no wins, and no enemies. But the people who played it reported computer files downloading on its own, infected systems, and a strange voice from the game stating, "I can track you." This is Sad Satan from the dark webs with no known creator and only one terrifying mystery. Why did everyone around this game just vanish? Keep watching our video till the end because we will show you what it did to a YouTuber's personal computer. It's not just creepy, but it's also disturbing. In 2015, a small YouTube channel called Obscure Horror Corner uploaded a video of an unnamed horror game. No title screen, no objectives, just black and white corridors, flickering lights, and chilling overlapping audio, child screams, reversed voices, and Alabama song looping in distortion. The channel's host, Jamie, claimed he got the link from a subscriber from the dark web. He uploaded 4 parts of this gameplay, but said he had to remove certain clips because they were just too disturbing for YouTube. And what Jamie didn't show might be exactly what caused him to disappear completely. Sad Satan is not a game in the traditional sense. There is no win, there is no lose. You just walk slowly, slowly, slowly. Each hallway looks the same, silent, washed out, flickering, until the game hijacks control. Suddenly, your screen is filled with grainy images of dismembered bodies, crying children. The audio becomes a soup of confession tapes of murderers, crying children, and disturbing voices. And if you think this is just a messed up horror game, wait until you know what it did to Jamie's computer, because this is where it actually gets very dark. As Jamie played into the game, he noticed something terrifying. His system began creating notepad file on its own. Inside, there was nothing but gibberish text and the number 666. Others who downloaded it claimed they saw the same. But then came the real warning. A line inside the game said, "I can track you." And worse, it wasn't just in game. Players claim their system slowed down, cameras flickered, and files appeared overnight. And when one user tried to uninstall the game, the messages started showing up. "You shouldn't have done that." We'll show you what that looked like in some time. Sad Satan has no known developer, but early uploads trace the file's origin to an alias ZK. No social media, no previous games. No one knows who or what ZK is, and that traces the biggest mystery. If this was a simple horror project, why hide your name? Why release it on the dark web? And why disappear the way Jamie did? And here's something that we discovered in our research. Obscure Horror channel of Jamie was a good running channel with great number of views. But post the upload of Sad Satan, the channel suddenly became unfunctional. As the internet became obsessed, clones of Sad Satan flooded forums. Games like Sad Satan Reborn and Sad Satan Enhanced were released, but all were just shadows of the original. Some were cleaner, others were worse. But no one, even today, has recovered the real version of Sad Satan. Some say it is gone. Others think it's still spreading, one download at a time. But if someone did find the original, would they dare upload it again? Or would it erase them too? So what really is Sad Satan? A horror experience from an underground developer? A psychological experiment? Or a ghost story gone too far? Whatever the truth is, it worked. It left no answers, but only whispers. And just maybe it wasn't a game at all. Tell me this, if a download link appeared on your system right now, would you click it? Let us know in the comment section if this story messed up with your head. Hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel Autopsy of Truth for more such content.